Welcome to Keukenhof 2025, the world's most beautiful spring garden. This year, over 7 million blooming bulbs have transformed the park into a breathtaking sea of color. Tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths bloom in harmony, creating a magical landscape that delights visitors from all over the world. From vibrant floral displays to peaceful walking paths and tranquil water features, Keukenhof 2025 is a true celebration of spring and Dutch horticultural artistry. Whether you're strolling through the themed gardens, enjoying a scenic boat ride through the surrounding flower fields, or relaxing with a cup of coffee by the windmill, Keukenhof offers something for everyone. Every corner of this park tells a story of nature, of beauty, and of timeless Dutch tradition. As Keukenhof 2025 draws to a close, plans are already underway for an even more stunning experience in 2026. Keukenhof will reopen in spring 2026 from March 19th to May 10th. Get ready for a brand new theme, fresh floral designs, and unforgettable memories waiting to bloom. Mark your calendars and let Keukenhof 2026 inspire your next spring adventure. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey. Until next spring, goodbye from Keukenhof. I visited Keukenhof 13 times this season, trying to catch the perfect bloom. Every visit was different, and each one more beautiful than the last. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by giving it a like, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more peaceful travel experiences. Your support means the world and helps us keep bringing you beauty from around the world, one season at a time.
Yay! I will for the same thing.
他们现在有那个，就是船上的水箱，然后然后我还真的坐上的时候，
I'll say thank you.
Ma si trema.
No,